Hey everyone, it is Tuesday, April 29th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a good day in the markets and made some money. Today was another good day for me in the Tradeify accounts. Right here is the sole account that did not get a payout in the last window. The reason being, you can see this big red day here where I lost $4,000. I was really close to a payout that day. I pushed it, went on tilt, and ended up hitting the max daily loss limit. And then it took me a while to recoup. But come May 1st, in a couple days, I'll be able to request $3,000 out of this account. So you can see my net P&L is just over $9,000. It took, oh man, how many days have I traded this? Oh, it's been about 18 days or so of trading with that one massive red day. So happy with it, you know. Tradeify, these 150K straight to trading or straight to funding has been really, really nice for me. Didn't have to worry about the eval phase. They're a little bit more expensive, but you go straight to the potential to earn money. So that's where I'm at on that one. And then if you look over here, so this is just the one account, the $9,000 net P&L. And over here, if you go to all five, I've made $55,000 in the month of April so far, trading all five accounts. Now, that's not money in my pocket, but that's just saying out of five accounts, they're all up over like basically 11 grand. So it's been pretty good. I took that nice payout the other day where it was $12,000 and then they take 10%. So it was a nice $10,800 in the bank account, which was a huge blessing to me. They paid really fast. They approved it really quickly. And yeah, just very thankful to be trading with Tradeify. So you can see if you look at all five accounts, even on that one massive red day that I had in the 150K account, it was a green day because all the other accounts were positive that day. So it's been a good month of trading on the Tradeify accounts. So just continuing to move forward with those. I am going for smaller take profits on the day now because to get to the next payout and all the other four accounts, you have to get to $4,500 in profit, not 9,000. So yeah, I'll be moving along with those. The great thing Tradeify announced this month was that they're getting rid of those payout windows. So as soon as you meet the profit target and you've traded the 10 days and you have the 20% consistency rule, you can take a payout request. So I think that's a really big move on Tradeify's part to make it easier for traders to not have to try and force it into a trading window. Let's pull up MotiveWave here. You can see, let's pull up the P&L for the day on the Apex accounts. So I am also trading 20 PA accounts with Apex. The month of April has been kind of hit or miss for me. I took some payouts earlier on in the month, but have kind of struggled the last part of the month with the Apex accounts. But today was a good day in all of them. Up about between 297 and 262 on those accounts. So some of them are kind of not a ton of drawdowns. Some of them are sitting pretty nice. So hopefully we'll be able to request some payouts on these ones as well. I won't lie. I think on a couple of them, have let the drawdown hit that 30% on a single trade. So I won't be shocked if I get a payout denial. However, I've been building the buffers up, so I'll just trade 8 more days, stick to the rules, and then request a payout. So that's kind of how it is with Apex. You have the ability to trade 20 accounts, but they do have some strict rules, and they will get you if you don't follow them exactly. So it is what it is. Hopefully we'll get some payouts in the month of May. The other good thing is I do still have like 6 accounts sitting on the sidelines that have already met the profit target. So if some of these ones that don't have much drawdown, if they do hit the max loss and are blown, then I have some that to just replace them and we'll hopefully just build those up. So been a good overall month in the month of April for me. Right now, kind of just focusing on these 2 firms. I will probably start some take profit accounts again, just because I think they're a pretty good firm too. But I will say I've been trading just these 2 and it's been really smooth because I have Tradeify open in one window. I'm doing all my analysis here on MotiveWave, and I can trade all 20 accounts copy traded for my Apex and my personal AMP account right here in MotiveWave. And then on a separate window, I just have Tradeify for my Tradeify accounts, and I just copy trade those, or sometimes I'm trading them individually on a separate window. So it's not like overload too many platforms open or anything like that. And I'm also not dealing with any copy trade issues or trying to, I don't know. I've been reading a lot of issues with copy traders lately. I've had the best luck with Replicanto, but again, I have to run the Parallels app on my Mac, open it up. It can be kind of tedious, and sometimes it's not always the best fills. But if I were to copy trade, I'd probably go back to Replicanto. I might do that when I add some take profit accounts, but right now, just really focused on these two firms, getting some payouts, and yeah, we'll add more as it comes available, I guess, or when you see fit. So that's about it today. I was kind of just scalping the markets, mostly on 15-minute chart on the NASDAQ. Was playing all these levels from the previous day. You can see there's these big wicks, like this value area high, go short, play it down, come down to the VWAP. There was just all these areas where it was kind of bouncing. And then obviously later in the afternoon, we just completely broke out of even yesterday's initial balance high. It just blew through that. So I actually do have an order in to see if it goes back down to this previous day initial balance, maybe get a quick 5-10 points on the NASDAQ just for a quick scalp on these Apex accounts, and just maybe add a little bit more money today. So if it doesn't get to it anytime soon, I'll probably just cancel order and shut down the platform and move on. But yeah, that's basically what I've been doing, just going for these quick scalp trades in my Apex accounts. And then hopefully we'll build all these, the buffer up and get some more payouts with Apex. So if you guys enjoy this content or want to help support the channel, I do have affiliate codes with Apex and Tradeify. If you just use the code Sean Trades, I really appreciate it. No worries if you don't. Just make sure you're helping out someone that's providing good content when you're looking for discounts or codes to get the cheapest prices. So with that, we'll call it a day, and we'll see you next time. All right, I've got a limit order here on yesterday's initial balance high. Just seeing if price comes back, taps that area, and if we can get in and out for a quick scalp trade. We're getting late in the day, so don't want to sit around too long. I anticipate this being a quick reactionary trade if it does work, but let's see. We're in. Let's see if we get any sort of bounce here. And let's just go ahead and call it there. All right.